Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some Glam Valentine decor. And so what you're going to need some of this Bling Wrap. This is from Totally Dazzled. And you're also going to need some of these Rhinestone Buckles, also from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need you need two of these candle holders that has a base on it. You're going to need one of these little glass canisters with a lid. And you're going to need one of these taper candle holders from Dollar Tree. Also from Dollar Tree, I have some foil paper here. I'm going to be using this pink, but it does come in other colors in the same pack. You've got gold, blue, orange, pink, and then there's even silver. And that's all from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using some peel and stick gemstones from Walmart. You can find these peel and stick gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I will be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam Valentine's decor turn out absolutely beautifully? These pieces are really versatile. You could use them in any number of ways as decorative canisters. You could use them as makeup brush holders, as vases. You could use them as candle holders, and so on. But anyway, you can also use them without the pedestal. You don't have to have the pedestal there. It's optional. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to give my video a thumbs up. And share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.